How to fix loading 98 problem in Gameloop. So if you want to fix loading 98 problem in your Gameloop emulator, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. So if it's stuck at 98% while loading, it indicates the blockage of Gameloop files, usually caused by the antivirus software, which causes Gameloop driver files to stop working. To resolve this issue, just follow the steps. First, you need to exit the Gameloop completely, including the tray. You can go with the tray icon, which will be on the bottom right, and you can go with Gameloop, and you can just go and quit or exit the Gameloop. After doing that, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix, then you can turn off the antivirus or add the Gameloop folders to the exclusion list. You can just go with Start and type Windows Security to search for that app. After that, you can go with Virus and Threat Protection, and you can go with Add or Remove Exclusions. You can select Add an Exclusion and then select the folder option, go with the folder such as Temp, and you will find your game downloaded. You need to just simply select it and try launching your Gameloop and try installing or playing your game again. However, if you face the same error again, try restarting your PC once, and some settings will be effective after a restart. If the issue still exists after the above steps, then uninstall the Gameloop from the control panel and reinstall it again on a different drive. Make sure you download Gameloop from www.gameloop.com. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.